Hey, this is Avijit, the founder of Disha Web Experts, your pioneer to internet, and I'm back with another video for you. In the previous video, what I discussed was how to write content for your website, how to write content by yourself, and the third point was to write description based on objectives. Now, if you have not watched the video yet, what I suggest you is go and watch that video first and then start watching this video so that you can connect with it. Okay? Now, how exactly you can write the description of your pages? Now, first of all, what I want you to do is note down the keywords. Now, what are keywords? Keywords are simple these are simple impressions that people will type in Google. It's like someone is searching, say, public speaking courses in Bangalore, or someone is typing, say, restaurants in Dhanbad, or someone is typing jewelry stores in, say, Chandigarh. So when they are searching that, some names are coming up. Now, you know, this is very important, that your website also appears when someone is typing your services. So the words that the impressions that I just said, like jewelry stores in Indore, restaurants in Dhanbad, these are called keywords. The things that people will type in Google, and you want them, when they type that, your website appears in the first page. So what I want you to do is just note down the keywords, like 4 to 5 keywords. Just note down that when people type this, my website should come. Now, when you have the keywords in mind, what I suggest you to do, you have already noted down the names of pages. Now take each pages and write down bullet points for the pages. Okay? You don't have to write the entire essay at the beginning. What I want you to do is take each page and write bullet points on that page. Okay? Now, after you have the bullet points, you have some idea about the page, about the description, and then start explaining each bullet points. Okay? Now, what I suggest you, what I want you to do in your content is, don't make paragraphs more than 3 to 4 lines, because if you have a long paragraphs in your website, like I saw in many of the websites, I don't know why they do that. If you have a long paragraph in your website, guess what? People will avoid it. They will not even read it. Always try to have paragraphs within 3 to 4 lines. Always try to have bullet points, attractive bullet points, not just those circle bullet points. Always try to have attractive bullet points. Just like I have a tick mark to represent the bullet points, you can use something like that as well. So in the second point, what I'm saying is, first of all, write the bullet points of each page, then start explaining each bullet point within 3 to 4 lines. Your paragraphs should not be longer than that. Okay? Now, the third point and the most important point is, make it a conversation. Now, how exactly you can do that? Let me give you an example. Suppose you are writing about a service in your website. Suppose you have a company which provides hardware services to different people or different companies. Now, you have written about your service in an entire page, and at the end of the page, you want to tell them the investment for the service. Now, you can write it in a simple way, and the investment for the service is 5,000 rupees. Or you can write cost for this service is 10,000 rupees. Fee for this service is 10,000 rupees. No, don't do this. This is not an essay that people will just mug up and write it in some paper for an examination. This is something that represents you. This is something that is taking you to the customer. So it has to be a conversation between you and the customer, right? So let me give you an example how you can exactly write the line. Instead of writing the fee for the service is 5,000 rupees, you can write, now you are thinking, what can be the investment for this program, right? Now, here is the best part. The investment for this program is going to be this. But since you are special to me, I am giving you this opportunity to fill up this form and contact us, and you will receive a special discount from us, which is the investment will not be 5,000 for you, it will be only 3,500 for you. Something like this. This is just an example. Make it like a conversation. The content should be in this way that you are talking to the customer. It's not an essay that people are coming and reading and okay, it's good. No, it should not be like that. It should be like a conversation. This is what I mean by make it a conversation. Always try to interact with the customer through your content. Don't write it in a way that generally people do in their website. What I suggest is make it a conversation. So this is my tip for you. I hope it will help you to prepare the content of your website. You can always go to an expert and prepare an excellent content for your website. But just like I told you that you are the person who knows better than anybody else about your business. So you are the person who can write the best content for your business. So just follow the steps that I have provided you, and let me know if it helps you, and I'll be happy to help you. When you prepare a content for your website, just let me know. I'll be happy to review that content for you. Again, I'm Avijit, the founder of Disha Web Experts, your pioneer to internet. See you in the next video.